Hey there! Want to learn how to send a direct message, DM, on Twitter? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can start messaging people easily. By default, you can only send direct messages to people who follow you, but if they've enabled the setting to receive messages from anyone, you can DM them even if you don't follow each other. Now, let's get into how to send that message. Go ahead and open up the Twitter app. Once you're on the homepage, look for the envelope icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and this will take you to your inbox, where you can see all the direct messages you've received. To send a new message, tap the envelope icon with a plus sign at the bottom. From here, you can search for the person you want to DM by typing their username in the search bar. For example, let's say I want to message someone with the username DC. I'll select their account, tap Next, and a private conversation with that person will open up. Now that you're in the chat, just type your message like hello and tap the paper plane icon to send it. You can also add images from your gallery or send GIFs by tapping on the GIF icon. Alternatively, you can search for someone to DM by tapping the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Enter the person's username, go to the People tab, and select their account. Once you're on their profile, tap the mail icon to start a private conversation. And that's how you send a DM on Twitter. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.